Good morning, my name is Ketu Patel and today I'm doing video tipping for skin cancer where I am using sun printing paper and SPF 30 and SPF 50. But before that, let's talk about skin cancer. So skin cancer is an abnormal growth of skin cells. Symptoms: a new spot on the skin that it changes shape, size and color. It can be itchy or painful. A non-healing sore that bleeds or develop crust, a red or skin color shiny bump on top of the skin. The causes and the risk factor that associated with skin cancer may include history of sunburn or excessive sun exposure, the family history regarding skin cancer, the use of the product they contain arsenic or coal, excessive use of sunbeds or tanning beds, infection of human papillomavirus. So I have already cut the sun printing paper and labeled each bag as control SPF 50 and SPF 30. So what I'm gonna do, putting each paper in each bag. So now I have applied SPF 50 on SPF 50 bag, SPF 30 on SPF 30 bag, and nothing on a control bag. So I applied on the outside and I had make sure that piece of paper is completely covered with there. And now I'm going to let it expose outside in the sun for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is over and now I'm going to immerse some water into each bag to stop the chemical reaction, and I will leave it for this paper at least. So I have put those 3 papers under the light under the dark to get it dry, and we'll see the observation. How can we avoid the skin cancer? So trying to stay under the shade in between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Try not to get over sunburn, and stop using or never use tanning beds or sunbeds. Apply sunscreen lotion before you step outside, and use broad spectrum sunscreen lotion SPF 30 or 50. Wear UV blocking sunglasses. How those ultraviolet radiation is affecting the skin cell is that the continuous exposure of ultraviolet radiation, it can damage the DNA of the skin cells, and the DNA which tells the cell how to function. If our DNA cell continuously damaging for longer period of time, one day the cells will begin to grow uncontrollable, and it can be turned out then as a cancerous cell. So to avoid so I have took out those papers from the dark and they are dry now. So the control paper is completely bluer. The SPF 30 is less compared to the control, and if SPF 50 is less bluer than the control. Thank you.